Okay, now we're going to get a demonstration from Edward Brunner of Cambridge Consultants of a capsule teamaker, or a prototype of it.
That's it.
Anyway.
So shall I talk you through what's happening?
Yes, please, yes.
So this brewing chamber will fill up with water and it will submerge that capsule. Once it's covered, the capsule will start spinning, and that will draw water in through the central blue part of it, through the tea leaves and then out through the sides. That's then recirculating, so it's like a recirculating pump. So we have a nice accelerated tea brewing process. So as you can see there, it's just immediately starting to turn much, much darker. We now start to bubble air through it. That helps to take a lot of the bitterness out of black teas. So often if you overstew a cup of a tea bag or in a teapot, it becomes very tannin rich and really too bitter. Bubbling the oxygen through it helps to reduce that. During this process, we're maintaining the temperature of the brew. So on this setting, we're at about 80 degrees. By maintaining that temperature, we're in a controlled system. Whereas in a teapot or a tea bag, there are lots of things that could affect the temperature at any time. So we're taking complete control of that. So also with the system, we've managed to reduce the total brew time down to just 2 minutes. And in taste tests of the same tea leaves brewed in a teapot, brewed for 4 minutes, our system has always come up on top, which is great. So now it's just dispensing, and in 30 seconds or so we'll be able to just sample that.
And these are the capsules here. I guess you've got different flavours of tea and different
Exactly.
size.
Yeah, so you could go anything from green teas, white teas, fruit teas, and you would just have different parameters on the machine optimised for those different tea types. So maybe for a lower temperature and no air bubbling for a green tea, say, and maybe different spin speeds of the capsule for fruit teas.
And behind you is what the actual machine could look like when it's
so that's
designed.
the rendering one of our industrial designers has pulled together to show how this prototype could be transferred into reality. But there are lots of different ways that it could be implemented. So from an in-cup brewer to a brew chamber that you could remove and use as a traditional teapot.
Right. Okay, so the acid test now, what does it taste like?
What does it taste like?
Yeah.
Well, hopefully it tastes good. Let me put it in the...
Okay, we're putting milk in. I don't think you have any milk, but just going to try it now. And it's a Ceylon tea, and it tastes excellent. Yeah, it's very clear. There's no tea leaves in here, and it tastes like a good cup of tea. Yeah, English cup of tea. Well, okay, Sri Lankan, but
yeah,
very good. Yeah, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.